Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can make a Vault account on Revolut. Now it is very important to notice that this Vault feature has been removed and it has actually been substituted by something that is called packets, okay? But it's extremely similar, so I recommend do not get confused by this. It's exactly the same. The only difference is that the pockets account is going to cost you 3.99 euros a month, okay? So how are you going to do this? The first thing is that you must come to your mobile app in here. This is not going to work from the desktop version. And now I basically want you to come to the main menu and I want you to click on accounts just below your balance here. Click on accounts. And now I'm going to click on add new. And now I want you to go to your pockets option in here. Great. And now just basically going to click on create a pocket and you're going to complete the whole process, okay, which is just giving you details, asking you to confirm and everything like that, okay. It's actually very, very simple. But yeah, thank you so much, guys.